Ladies and gentlemen, my video guide will provide you with help to remove the new ransomware called Bl00dy, Bl00dy to be more precise. So this ransomware is able to essentially damage the files that people store on their computers, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office, and all other data that they store. You now see that before the ransomware attack, there are no troubles opening any file types, including pictures, music, and other data. But almost immediately after the ransomware file is launched, it starts encrypting and damaging the files. So you try to open this specific file, and this is the message that you get. Windows cannot open this type of file with the extension Bl00dy. The ransomware also drops this ransomware note. It says it's some Bl00dy ransomware gang. It says that people need to pay the ransom for file recovery and to contact the developers using this email address. But there is no guarantee that if you pay the ransom that you would get your money, that you would get your files restored. So don't pay the ransom, don't waste your money. We recommend you to remove this ransomware immediately with the help of reliable anti-ransomware program called Combo Cleaner. To download it, you might need to use Internet Explorer browser, because other browsers and their desktop shortcuts may also be damaged by this ransomware. So go to the page combocleaner.com, use this green download button, install the program, and begin researching your system. Click on Start Scan button. Most likely the program will first of all update its anti-malware database, and this is of course essential for proper detection and removal of any malware or ransomware or any other threats. Then at the end of the scanning, you will see the summary of the threats. You'll be able to know their locations on your computer. I do recommend that you consider upgrading to Premium as the best solution to keep your data protected and to keep your computer free of any other malware.